go to ridgetownc.uguelph.ca/beprepared. Then tap the UofG Alert button. Then tap the sign-in link. You'll be asked for your UofG credentials. These are the same ones you use to sign into GriftMail. You got it? Once you're in, tap the edit link. Add in details for the best ways we can reach you. That could be text, phone calls, or email. You can choose as many as you like. You can also enter ways we can reach your family if we need to. You can come back and add or update your contact details whenever you like. Tap Save, and that's it.